loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are talking about the most beautiful, most bomb straight wig ever. You guys need to run over there first of all before you even watch this video. Have this in the queue so when you're done watching the video you go purchase it, because I'm telling you this wig is next level gorgeous. Today's hair sponsor is CurlyMe. This is actually my first collaboration with them. Their wigs, bomb.com. Today I have installed a 26-inch 4x4 HD closure glueless wig. This is in the straight texture and the density 180%. Be doing a quick little install. This is gonna be the fastest install ever, and this wig is special because it's glueless. When I say glueless, I mean glueless, y'all. So are you ready for the install? She is just straightened, and I did bleach the knots on her so you can see she's a little bit more natural looking. So she's made on a dome cap. There's no clips, there's no nothing. There's just a strap that secures her, you guys. It comes ready to wear. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one. You guys. And that's it. Look at that. It comes with the lace already cut, but I'm gonna cut off a little extra. It's a little too much lace for me. So I like to go over it, even if I've straightened and washed it like the day before or the night before. It's never gonna lay as flat as it will once you go over it again for like a second time. When you think you're done, just go in one more time. Make sure you get those ends, you guys. Make sure you get those ends. You guys, we are done. Like, can we make her any better than she already is? I don't know. Okay, so the only thing I can think of that I might want to do, that's without a ball cap. I think I prefer it like that. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna do is obviously clean the part, because it wouldn't be a caviarkezzy video without me doing that. This is good, you guys. I have to go run some errands and I literally have no time to spare. Okay, last thing, we're gonna go in with this little dye pen. And then finish her off with some spray. Look at that, you guys. Glueless. No baby hairs needed. It's just on there, and I don't know how, but it is. I tell you guys all of the bomb amazing straight wigs that I've tried, and I say that this one is better than all the rest? Because literally the installation process is effortless, you guys. The quality of the wig is superior. There's just so many things that make this wig stand out more than any other wig, and I know this for a fact because I did bleach the knots on my wig and I washed and conditioned the wig. When I got the wig out of the package, it was ready to go. You saw the hairline was pre-cut. I did go ahead and remove those little pieces. Like I said, I bleached my knots, so I had to wash the wig and style her. I don't have any products on the hair. Okay, 26 inch, I'm gonna get up so you guys can see. It's hitting me very long, you guys. It's booty length for sure. Look at the sway, look at the bounce. This wig is fire. And if you're over it, you don't wanna wear your wig anymore, you just take it off. Like, what? Look at that. This is the best glueless wig I've ever seen. I don't know how they managed to get this wig so flat, so secured, but yet so comfortable. It's not squeezing on my brain cells. I love it. If you like that really flat hair look, this wig is for you. Because it's made on that dome cap, it lays much flatter on the side. You know, when you have a regular wig on, you run your hands like that, you can kind of feel the tracks. This wig is constructed so well that even if you part it, you don't see any tracks, and let me tell you, you don't feel them either. Top tier, baby. I don't have to spray anything on her and she looks this good. I am sold. It's just beautiful, you guys. If I haven't said it enough, I definitely recommend. This wig is most definitely Caviarkezzy approved. Lovely. Even when it's in its natural state, when it's not straightened, it's beautiful, soft, silky texture. And if you guys want to check out this wig from CurlyMe Hair, I'm gonna leave all the information down there in the description box. If you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section below. Before you go, thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye.